Why stretching matters.
Stretching is a simple activity that offers big rewards. Regular stretching improves flexibility, helps prevent injuries, and can relieve muscle tension and stress. For beginners, even a few minutes a day can make a noticeable difference. By learning the basics, you can move more freely and feel better in your day-to-day activities.
Safety tips for beginners.
Before you begin stretching, remember a few important tips. Warm up your body with light movement like marching in place. Stretch slowly, never forcing your body into painful positions. Hold each stretch for about 15 to 30 seconds and remember to breathe. If you feel sharp pain, stop immediately. Consistency is key. Gentle practice is more effective than pushing too hard.
Essential upper body stretches.
Begin with your neck and shoulders. Gently tilt your head to each side, holding briefly. For arms and chest, interlace your fingers behind your back and straighten your arms, opening your chest. Then, stretch one arm across your chest and hold it with the opposite hand. These stretches reduce tightness and help improve posture.
Core and lower body basics.
Lower back and legs benefit from simple stretches. Try the seated hamstring stretch. Sit, extend one leg, and gently lean forward. For your hips, perform a gentle seated butterfly stretch by pressing the soles of your feet together. Calf stretches can be done by facing a wall and pressing your heel to the floor.
Building your stretching routine.
Aim to stretch major muscle groups at least 2 to 3 times a week. Start with a few poses and increase as your comfort grows. Stretching can be done after workouts or on rest days. Over time, you'll notice increased flexibility, reduced soreness, and improved relaxation. Listen to your body and enjoy the benefits of a simple, regular routine.